Nature is all-powerful, with its striking combinations, like the volcano Quilotoa, with crystalline green turquoise waters. Where one breathes pure air that invites tranquility and meditation. Quilotoa is found 79 kilometers from Latacunga, 68 kilometers from Pujili, and 10 kilometers from the parish of Zumbawa. With a height of approximately 3,940 meters, this salty lake of volcanic origin is more than 3 kilometers in diameter. The Andes are perfect for practicing extreme sports. Ecuador, life at its purest.